Hi, my name is Dari Franz, and I'm going to show you today how to remove the black borders in the video in VideoPad. For example, you have your project and you are going to use different images and videos you already imported to create your own videos. So you will drag different images. Everything looks okay. Then you will decide to add some videos. You see it work, it's nice. Oh, it looks nice. So you will add videos. This one. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Then this one. And then oops, you can see that there are black borders here. What can we do? Don't worry, it's very easy to remove them. Just click here on your video on timeline, then go to video effects, add new effect, choose zoom. Okay, now just click on this corner on this frame and drag it these lines like that, and the same from this side. Okay, now our picture is framed by this frame, and that's it. Close it, and now see what happens. Let's play. No more black borders. Everything is okay. That's it. Thank you for staying with me, and hope to see you soon.